my own observation, in this new life situation, ang mundo'y nagpolusyon sa dami ng population. In the new generation, ang tao'y nag-addition, kung minsa'y multiplication, di na magkasya sa subdivision. That's why we have discussion to make a good resolution. Give the people instruction to maintain sanitation. That is the good protection in this beautiful nation. All our acts will action, cleanliness, multiplication. That's why we have election, to elect our delegation, to present our relation, to attend every session. That is the regulation, to promulgate constitution, take good care of our possession, so that no crap and corruption. Don't make a violation in traffic rule regulation. Drive your car on collision, no regrets and obstruction, so that no collection in dangerous intersection. Avoid accidentation, pagkat mahirap hospitalization. See you. If you have some occasion, plant a green revolution. It's a good for nutrition and a rejuvenation. Maintain your jurisdiction and complete vegetation. Barangay organization, I thank you, congratulations. In this world of revolution, everything has taxation, high price, no salvation, no discount, no deduction, salaries, no dimension, for the family consumption, si Mr. na concretion, si Mrs. na consummation. Thank you for watching.